So, sometimes I do crazy stuff. I go for a run. See the running gear? That's me. Mean, lean, exercising machine. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Sometimes, when I'm out on my crazy runs, stop crazy shops. Today at night, I stopped at crazy shop to buy bin bags, and the supermarket effect happened, where I bought bin bags, some nice biscuits, and this fish with its big orange sticker, meaning this fish needs to be cooked tonight. Now, I thought long and hard about what I could do with this fish. I considered taking it to the cinema, or the zoo, or, you know, I don't know, the theatre? Finding Nemo, perhaps? Maybe not. And then I thought, no, Sarah, stop being a crazy person. You're not going to take 2 haddock fillets to the zoo, are you? You're going to cook those 2 haddock fillets for your dinner. You're going to cook them good. What you're going to do with those 2 haddock fillets is you're going to get 2 garlic cloves, 1 for each of the haddock fillets, and into equality that way. And you're going to peel them. Oh, the peel just came off that one. That was good. Oh, I like it when that happens. Good. And you're going to get a lump of ginger, and you're going to get as much ginger as you have garlic, roughly. So there's my ginger, there's my garlic. You're going to peel the ginger. So, then you're going to get a bowl, and into your bowl you're going to grate with your grater your ginger and your garlic. Isn't that clever? Do it over here so I can talk to you. Yes, ramen, I know. Crazy. Crazy. But what is it about supermarkets? You stop off for one thing, and the orange stickers, they lure you. They lure you in. Such is life. Such is modern living. How they make their money. That, in fact, they're made of evil. Ah, well. Now, whenever I'm grating things using this microplane grater, I'm really lazy. And I leave like teeny tiny little bit at the end. Because otherwise, Sarah fingers end up in dinner. That's one thing I do not want to do with my precious haddock fillets. I do not want to introduce them to human blood. Not at this stage in the game, anyway. They've had a hard life until this point. Swimming around in the sea, getting caught, getting tousled up in cling film, getting put on a shelf, being rejected for all the other prettier fish fillets like salmon and king prawns and smoked haddock. That fancy smoked haddock. So, I don't want to introduce those haddock fillets to blood. Do you? I don't think so either. Excellent. Excellent. So there we have it, some garlic and ginger paste. Then what we're going to do is into this bowl, we're going to put 2 dessert spoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. 2 dessert spoons of honey maple syrup. I'm using agave nectar because I'm a bit hippie and I have things like that in my cupboard. Honey, maple syrup, whatever you have. 2 tablespoons thereof. Oh, it turns out I only just have 2 tablespoons. Dessert spoons, dessert spoons, dessert spoons. That was lucky. Give that a mix. And then you get some Thai red curry paste. And put in 2 spoons of that. You also get a lime. Cut it in half and squeeze the juice in to your bowl of dreams. Ooh, squirty lime on my running top. Mrs. P, you're not wearing a penny shocker. It's my sweaty running gear. It's going to go into the wash anyway. Then you give that a good stir. Then you get your fish out of its tousled up cling film. lovely haddock. Come to Sarah. This is why celebrity chefs use fish that they bought from proper greengrocers in like nice little grease-proof packages. It's easier to take out. And then you get 2 squares of greaseproof paper if you're feeling fancy. If you don't have greaseproof paper, tin foil is fine. I promise. And you put your fish on your tin foil. Or the greaseproof paper, whatever you have. Then you get your sauce and you drizzle it, spread it over the 2 fish fillets. Nice. Very, very nice. Now you can wrap up your fillets together in one bit of paper, but I think it's like a sort of little dinner time present if you do individual ones. And I'm all about the little presents from Mr. P, so I wrap mine up individually. And you do that just by bringing in these 2 ends, bringing it across this end, and kind of rolling it up. Then you get a baking tray, and you put your fish parcels into the oven on the baking tray for 10 minutes. 10 delightful minutes. In that time you can, I don't know, think about where you might take the things you're serving for the fish. You know, to the park for a run. Except, no, you're going to serve it with the fish, so don't bother. And maybe change out of your sweaty exercise gear. See you in 10 minutes. See? Changed out of my sweating running gear into my sweatpants. Attractive. Just before you take the fish out of the oven, what you do is you meticulously cut exactly 1 handful or 30 grams of coriander off a plant. Or you don't. And you sort of rip a little sort of handful, maybe a little bit more like that. And you meticulously cut it really finely, or, you know, just sort of chop it a bit, like so. Then you get your fish out of the oven. It smells so good. I think this little fishy is quite happy it ended up on the bargain shelf in the supermarket and not in some fancy smoked factory or something like that. I think yes. I think this is a very happy fish. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to put 2 parcels on the plates. Like so. I'm going to open the parcels up. Delicious. And then I'm going to sprinkle each fishy with some of the coriander. And it's not the most visually attractive fish dish you've ever seen, but it's really simple, really tasty, actually quite healthy midweek dinner. And hey, it means you don't have to take a packet of haddock to the pictures. Hope you enjoy your dinner. Bye!